To make a Commonwealth Bank account online, start by visiting the Commonwealth Bank website and clicking on the Open an Account button. Select the type of account you want to open, such as an everyday account or savings account, and then choose the option to apply online. You will be asked to provide some personal details, including your name, date of birth, and contact information. You will also need to provide identification, such as a driver's license or passport, to verify your identity. Next, you will need to provide proof of address, such as a utility bill or lease agreement. This is a standard requirement for all banks to prevent fraud and ensure that the account is being opened by a genuine person. Once you have provided all the required information, you will be asked to review and agree to the terms and conditions of the account. This includes the fees and charges associated with the account, as well as the interest rates and other features. After you have agreed to the terms and conditions, your account will be opened and you will be provided with your account details, including your account number and BSB. You can then use these details to set up online banking and start managing your account. To set up online banking, you will need to register for a netcode, which is a security code that is sent to your mobile phone or email. This code is used to verify your identity when you log into online banking. Finally, you can use your online banking to transfer funds, pay bills, and check your account balance. You can also use the Commonwealth Bank app to manage your account on the go. It is a good idea to take some time to familiarize yourself with the online banking system and to set up additional security features, such as two-factor authentication, to protect your account from unauthorized access. By following these steps, you can easily make a Commonwealth Bank account online and start managing your finances with ease. Remember to always keep your account details and passwords secure to prevent fraud and protect your identity.